The first thing you would want to do when trying to graph this function would be to find the vertex. The vertex would be h and k, h being x, k being y, and in this case h is a positive 2 and k is a negative 4. When h is positive, you move it to the left, so the 2 would become a negative 2, and the negative 4 would stay the same, so the vertex would be negative 2, comma, negative 4. Next, you would want to find your axis of symmetry. It'll help with when you actually graph it, and it's easy to locate. You can look at your vertex, and it would be your x. So in this case, x is negative 2. So that would be your axis of symmetry as well. So you pretty much have everything you need to graph the function, except the slope. The slope is the number in front of the absolute value sign. So in our case, it would be 3. So our slope would be 3 over 1. Now that you have the vertex and the slope, you can start graphing it now. So for the vertex, which was negative 2, comma negative 4, you're going to go left 2, down 4. Now once you have that plotted, for the slope, which is 3, or 3 over 1 if it makes it easier, you will go from the vertex up 3, and then left 1. Once you have at least 3 points, you can use that axis of symmetry that is at negative 2, and you can reflect the other points. So you'll have one ray, and then you'll have the other one by axis, the axis of symmetry, which you can reflect it off of. Since the graph opens upward and it goes on forever, the domain, which is the x values, will go on forever, which means all real numbers will be hit at one point.